Okay, we're looking at acceleration now. We need to understand velocity for this and that velocity time graphs. So do go back and have a look if you're not quite sure about those first. So here we're looking at acceleration. I've made this up, okay, I make it up. It's not something they're going to give you. They'll give you this sort of equation with no units because they like to see if you know anything about units. But I've made this one up to try and remember it. Now, what we're working out here is the acceleration. That's how fast something speeds up. So what we need to know is how much it's actually changed its velocity and how long it took it to do that. So I learn it as, well, I remember it as CAT. So C-A-T, change in velocity, acceleration, and time. Here's a simple equation. Oh, sorry about that. Here's a simple equation. Now, it's not really happening. It's not naughty. It's not nasty. It's just because it might help you to remember C-A-T. Right, just bear with me. So a cat was thrown out of a 5-story window. It wasn't really. It's not hurt. It's just made up. This cat here is perfectly safe. It travelled from 0 to 20 metres per second in 10 seconds and calculate its acceleration. So here it's given you its change in velocity from 0 to 20. So its change in velocity was 20 metres per second. All right, 20 metres per second. That's the C one. And the time it took to do that was 10. So, oh, come on, 10 seconds. So if we look at the equation, we know that the change in velocity goes at the top and the 10 seconds goes at the bottom. That means the 20 is divided by 10. Okie dokie. I'll flip 20 divided by 10. Now, if I'm going to use a calculator, do you know why? Because I think you should in an exam. It's so easy to just go, oh, that's easy, it must be blah. And you've got it totally wrong. And I know you shouldn't, but you do. It's just the way it is. So I'll put it in the calculator, 2 metres per second. Now that's metre per second squared. And my computer's not playing ball at the moment. So I'm going to fiddle around with it. There you go. So 2. Oh my goodness. It'd be easy with a pen, really, wouldn't it? 2 metres per second. It's all over the place. Oh, can she line it? Yeah, there you go, right. So the answer is 2 metres per second squared. Don't forget that little 2 at the top there. That's its acceleration. How fast? It goes 2 metres per second, every second faster. All right, so that's how you use it. That's at the foundation tier. What you've got to then do on the higher tier is use that to that equation to work out the gradient of the line and therefore the acceleration of said kitty here. So for this kitty here, we're looking at CAT. So we're looking at change in velocity and the time taken. So let's have a look what its acceleration is at this stage here. So we can look at here, the time taken is 30 seconds. And here we've got the change in velocity is from 0 to 4 metres per second. So its change is 4 metres per second. Look at the equation, change divided by time. So it will be change 4 divided by 30 equals 0.13, 2 decimal places please, metres per second squared. Now remember it's a little 2, it's, oh no, I might be able to do it, hang on. There you go, right, that's the answer. Bit more tricky here. So what's its time taken? Well, it's 10 seconds. 10 seconds, because it's just this little bit. And here, it's gone from 4 to 5. That's 1 metre per second. So its change is 1 divided by 10. Now, shove it in a calculator. I'm not joking. 1 divided by 10 equals 1 divided by 10. 0.1 metres per second squared. That's higher tier. Come on. There you go. Done.